This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza photography, video, and audio. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my two favorite tripods that I currently use in 2022. I've had many tripods over the last 50 years, and I still have quite a few. I'm still in my inventory. I must have at least 30 different tripods. From the tripod that I'm shooting this video with, it's a very sturdy Manfrotto tripod with a Manfrotto head, and to a tripod that I have in my living room holding my vintage 4x5 view camera. I have a lot of tripods, small tripods, big tripods, but these are my two favorite tripods that I use quite a bit. About 90% of my videos are shot with my little DJI Pocket. It has its own gimbal, and I really enjoy shooting with it. But when I'm serious about capturing some landscapes or doing a video, an interview in the field, and I need to take a tripod with me, I take these two tripods. They both have different features that I like, but both of them have one thing very much in common. They're both Benro tripods. I really like Benro products. Of course, I also like Manfrotto products. I like Gitzo products. A lot of different manufacturers out there make some excellent products. But Benro, bang for the buck. It's I think quite good. So let's start with my little tripod. This is a little aluminum tripod. They make a carbon fiber version of this, which is a little bit lighter and a bit more expensive. If you can afford it, I would get that one. This is called, let me read the side, I always forget the name of it. This is called the Slim series of tripods. It's the TSL-08A. Very nice little tripod. It's good for taking photographs and a little bit of video. I would not do any pans with it. The pan is more akin to a friction head than a fluid head, but it's very nice, and as you can see, very compact, and has these knurled little extensions here, so you can extend it quite a bit. Very nice. Again, this fits very nicely in my backpack. If I'm only going several miles down the road and backpacking to take some pictures at a certain location, I can take this with me, and it fits readily in my modest backpack. Okay, so a lot of features. Again, this has what's called a video head, but I wouldn't call it a video head. It's a modified video head. It has quite a bit of friction, and it has all the features, tilt, adjustments, pan, stuff like that. And it has this telescoping feature right here where it can get a little taller, and has a clip here for shooting video. Here's some close-up video for you folks out there. Again, this is a close-up of the head. It has a lot of very nice features. If you have any questions about this Benro tripod, feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to explain and talk about my experience using this Benro tripod. This is an aluminum version. Again, they make a carbon fiber version, which is very nice. There's a lot of very nice carbon fiber tripods out there in the market, okay? Let me put that one aside and show you my favorite tripod for shooting landscapes and such like that and shooting video. This is my Benro tripod. It's a Benro. Let me read the side again. I forget. I don't know these things I don't memorize these things. Travel Angel. It's a carbon fiber tripod, and it's the FTA29C. It did originally have a ball head, a very nice ball head at that, and I really like it for landscapes and such. But since I shoot a lot of video while I'm in the field for my other channels, my RVing channel and my other channels, I took that off. I just unscrewed it, and I put this head on top. This is a Sirui VH-10X. Very nice features, as you can see in the close-ups here. I have a lot of very nice pan controls. An arm, the handle here extends, and one of the benefits of a tripod of this type is when you're shooting with your bigger lenses, and they can be a little bit front heavy, you can adjust it so it doesn't have that doesn't want to go down. It wants to stay stable, wants to stay straight. It wants to stay perpendicular to the horizon line. Doesn't want to go plop, bang the front element, and cause some issues. So what do you think? Again, a very nice tripod. Goes pretty high, definitely above my height, which is 5'10". And you can, if you're a 6-foot person, this will be a piece of cake for you, easily to use. And again, somewhat packable. Some of you guys are more sturdy than me. A lot of you are more sturdy than me, in fact. So these are my two favorite tripods, and they're both made by Benro. There are a lot of great manufacturers of tripods out there. Gitzo comes to mind. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about these tripods, feel free to note them below. And also note below, what's your favorite tripod? I know there's budgets out there. You can buy a tripod for $40. You can buy a tripod for $100. You can buy a tripod for $200. You can buy a tripod and video head for $10,000. There's a whole range of price points out there. But this right here, this little combination I have here, I estimate this is altogether is about $500. I think it's rather reasonable. I figure this is going to be handed down to one of my grandchildren. Hopefully at least one of them. Hopefully at least one of them is interested in photography and video. From Fort Worth, Texas, this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. I'm a photographer and videographer. I've been taking pictures since 1963 when I was 11 years old, when I went to the San Jose flea market and picked up a Brownie twin lens, camera, and I used to take it to Arena's photo down the street on 13th Street in San Jose, and he would process them, make me prints, and I really enjoyed it. I still enjoy it today. Hope you're enjoying photography and video too. From Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.